Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to talk on Gorilla Tag. So at first, if you don't have the game, just go in the MetaQuest store and download Gorilla Tag for your MetaQuest 3. And after you download it, just open the library and go inside the game. And here's a note guys. After you're inside the game, you're able to talk automatically. As you can see, I'm talking right now. Hi guys, how are you doing? And they reply me, that means they are talking to me and listening to me. So guys, that's how you talk on Gorilla Tag. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icons to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.